Recording. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I am looking blah, I'm feeling blah, and I have a lot of things to do today. So I thought, let me share with you what I do to pick myself up when I'm having a blah, rough, dull, not in a mood kind of day. Alright? So these are very simple things which just picks up my mood instantly. So the first thing I would share is set the tone for the day. Get yourself ready for the day. Even if you do not feel like getting out of the bed, just push yourself to get out of the bed. Do a good skincare, a morning skincare. Use SPF. By doing so, you are actually taking care of yourself. So this is like a form of self-love for me, that no, I am taking care of my skin, I'm protecting my skin from the sun, I'm doing a good skincare. So these are like mood lifting stuff that lifts up your mood. And the second thing is get yourself changed from your PJs to whatever you like pick up that cute little dress that you have in your wardrobe which you haven't worn for a long time. We all have that one or two dresses. So I specifically do not have any favorite dress, but it is really difficult for me to get changed. So it's like, because the PJs are so comfy, and most of the time I'm working from home, so I really do not have to change my clothes. But today I was like, you know what, I have to go out as well, and when I change clothes I feel like, yeah, I mean, it's a change environment, and when you are looking better, you feel better. That was tip number 2. And for me, the tip number 3 would be, it's specifically for me, okay? It wouldn't be maybe for all of you, but well-groomed nails, yeah? These instantly pick up my mood. And whenever one of my nails break, my mood just goes haywire, you guys. So these nails, I have done it after a long time, guys. And these look so high-end. These are stick-on nails. This is the one that I have used today. This is from Primark, and this is just £1, you guys. Does it even look like it's just £1? And just be careful while doing anything with your nails, because these are pretty fragile. I have done that mistake, so I'm sharing it with you all. So this was the third step. And now the fourth step is make myself look somewhat presentable. Do not mind this hair, because this is like third day hair, and I will do something about it in a while. But first I need to sort out my face. And I don't know if you guys can see, I am so flushed. Like, do you guys see that? It's like around in here. It's so red. So whenever it's so hot, it's really hot outside, okay? And I'm sitting right in front of the window. So it's like, giving me all the summer hot vibes. So first I'll do is take a sip of my chilled coconut water. I love this. This is the organic coconut water. So this is definitely not a makeup tutorial. I'm just sharing with you like bits and pieces of how I do my makeup when I just don't feel like at all doing it. And also I have to look somewhat presentable, So the first thing I'm doing to take this redness away and to calm my skin is this Caudalie. Yeah, so I really love this Caudalie Beauty Elixir, you guys, because this is a very hydrating and soothing facial spray. So you can just spray it throughout the day to refresh your makeup. And for now, what I'm doing is I'm just spraying it to calm my skin down, because it's really flushed and red. So today I was shopping my stash, and I have picked up a few items which I have not been using for a really long time. So the first one is this one. I got this and I've used it like just once, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Versali glass skin, if I'm not mistaken. Liquid glass, sorry. So you have to shake this product, and this actually looks really good on skin. and it smells so good, you guys. So this is, I wouldn't say a skincare, even though it has a lot of skincare benefits in it, but yeah, it looks good, it looks good, it feels good, and I need all the feel-good factor today. So what I've noticed is during summer, as it's so hot outside, after a while my T-zone gets pretty oily. So for that I'm using this Hourglass Veil Primer, and I will just concentrate it around my T-zone area. Initially it looks a little white, but it goes away. Can you imagine what I did? I was supposed to color correct my birthmark side, and while I was talking on the phone, by mistake, I put the color corrector on the left side, which did not need any correction. You know, when I said my head is not in the right place, this is what I meant. I am just not thinking straight. I don't know what am I doing. So for foundation today, I have picked up these two, which I had not worn in a really long time. This is my Holy Grail Dior Nude Day, and this is by Gala. So this is a very dewy foundation, right? And this one is, it's, I wouldn't say dewy, but it's a little drying on my face. So when I'm mixing these two together, this should become a powerful concoction. The foundation is looking a little too pinkish on my skin, so I will have to neutralize this with my concealer. So the concealer that I'm using now is the Dior Undercover one. This is in the shade 3N. So this is just one shade lighter than my skin tone. On top of it, I will go in a little bit with this Born This Way concealer. This is a little lighter, so this will help brightening up. Also a little bit of warmth. Today is mixing day. I am mixing everything, my foundation, concealer, everything. And
a million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night skies fall.
I wanted to share with you a very unique shade which always looks good on you. Sorry, this phone is... Sorry, something is ringing. What I was saying was, this one shade of eyeshadow, it looks good on you no matter what you wear. Specifically if you have dark eyes like I do, and the kind of skin tone that I have, medium tan skin tones. Oh my god, guys, so this is from MAC, and the shade, I'm using this palette. So I had this individually before, but I think I crushed it, and then I got it in this palette and I love it. So the shade name is, if I'm not mistaken, Amber Lights, which is this shade right here, this one. Let me show you guys how beautiful it looks on our eyes. So what I do is I just take a just a simple blending brush like this. This is E25. It's just that one shade and you're done. That kind of a shade. See. And then with that same brush, what I will do is I will take a like brownish shade like this, just to blend out the edges, like in here. And also this will create a little bit of depth on my eye. But this is so simple, you guys. Whenever I just do not know what to do, I do this. You guys try it out. It always looks good. How many times did I say always already? This is not a new product, but I recently got my hands on this because Kathleen Lights here on YouTube, I love her, okay? I just love all her videos. So she raves about this, and she has a dry skin just like I do. So she always talks about this Fenty Beauty refreshing spray. This is not a setting spray, so keep that in mind. This is what a dew makeup refreshing spray. So I am gonna put it first, and then I'm gonna use my makeup setting spray. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's a good mist. Smells so good, you guys. Now, to seal the deal, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is my holy grail, like for all seasons, all the time. Now is the most important and the last step, not last to last step, to make yourself feel good and instantly pick up your mood is wear a red lipstick. Find your perfect shade of red which just goes with your complexion and see how it changes your mood. In spite of if you're at home, you're going out, don't bother. Just rock a red lipstick. See how you feel. So today I'm going to be using this YSL Slim lipstick in the shade 21. It's the lipstick. This is the YSL number 21. So, if you guys know me for a while now, you will know my love for perfumes, and that is where I keep all my perfumes. And yeah, whenever I'm feeling really down, what I do is I wear my favorite perfume, which will just instantly pick up my mood. There is something about the fragrance, you know, it just reminds you of good times and good places, good memories that you have had aligned with that perfume, you know. So pick up that perfume of yours which you really like and just wear it. You will definitely feel better, much better. So my all-time favorite perfume is this one. This is by Byredo. Focus. Yeah, this is the Blanche. It smells so fresh, so good, so unique. I can't rave enough about it. Okay, so perfumes you should wear on your pulse points, like behind your ears, behind your neck, here. So I completely forgot to show you guys the dress that I'm wearing. It is like, I got this from ASOS, and this material is like so soft, you guys. I'm very comfortable. I love this. Now I am really hungry. I will make a protein shake with some fruits and some protein powder. Let me share it with you. Let's go. For my smoothies, what I'm gonna do today is I am going to take half a banana because I cannot finish these bananas in one go because they're like really big, you know? So I just take half because I mix in other berries also along with it. So I'm just gonna do this, put it in here, and in here I have a few blueberries, raspberries, and one date. This is seedless, so it is very nutritious, and also it adds natural sweetness. Put all of this in my NutriBullet, and then I am gonna put my protein powder, and the protein powder that I'm using is this one, guys. This is by Eyeshadow. I got it out of Amazon, and this is in the flavor cookies and creams, and this one is like gluten-free, all this jazz, and it's zero carb protein. This tastes so yummy. Oh my goodness, and I am struggling to open this. This tastes really, really good. So I take about, this is a 1 tablespoon scoop. I take about 1.5. That's enough. I don't take 2. Yeah, 1.5. That's it. We add in this milk. This is by Alpro. This is the coconut and almond milk, and this is plant-based because I cannot digest regular milk, so I use this. These are healthy, you know, these are really good. I did something and it was not recording. So what I did was I added this peanut butter into this, just like 1 teaspoon, maybe less than that. So yummy, so yummy. So now it's time to blend it all in. And the color of the smoothie matches with my nails also. Now it is time for me to enjoy this. So guys, I would recommend having a smoothie like this during whenever you feel like, because it makes you feel full. It tastes yummy, and this is what happens when you wear a red lipstick. This is also one thing which will help you pick up your mind, because mood because I mean, there are so many good things in it. The berries, the bananas, these things, they have such ingredients which helps you to make your brain function better, makes you feel full. It keeps your energy level high up, keeps your insulin level up and balanced, blood sugar level balanced. So your body, when your body feels good, you know, your mind automatically feels good. I recommend having this highly. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. This was not a makeup tutorial. These were like just very simple basic steps, spending some time with me, see what I do to pick up my mood, and a smoothie recipe. All right, take care, stay blessed and beautiful.